In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Microsoft Store on the latest Windows 11 LTSC Enterprise version. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. If you've installed the latest Windows 11 LTSC version and you want to install apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or anything else from the store, you might be surprised to find that the Microsoft Store isn't installed by default. That's why I'm going to show you two methods to get the Microsoft Store working on Windows 11 LTSC. The first method is the most simple and easy. Just right-click on your Start menu icon, run Terminal as an administrator, and click Yes on the security prompt. Then all you need to do is type this command and press Enter. This command will attempt to repair and reinstall the Microsoft Store, which may fix your problem. It should take about 2 minutes to complete. But if that didn't work, then we'll move to the second method. Open your favorite browser and navigate to the link that you'll find in the description below. On that page, scroll down and click on this link to download the full package. When the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder and right-click on the zip file that you just downloaded. Select Extract All and then click Extract. Now open the folder that you just extracted. The Add Store batch file is the script that will install the Microsoft Store along with all the necessary dependencies. Right-click on it, select Run as Administrator, and click Yes. The script will now run and install the Microsoft Store on your machine. After the process is complete, you will need to restart your computer. Once it boots back up, you will find the Microsoft Store installed and ready to use on your machine.